going to show you how to make a 3-2-1 chocolate raspberry cake. And it's only going to take 1 minute to do. That way you can do this for Thanksgiving and give your kids a little something. So instead of bouncing off all 4 walls, they're only bouncing off 1 wall instead because it's a smaller portion. On to the recipe. To get going, you're going to need a devil food cake and an angel food cake and some water. We're going to do the fruit spread in a little bit. The first thing you're going to be doing is opening up a gallon bag. We're going to use it to keep the mix when we're not using it. This is the angel food cake mix that all you do is dump it in. You're going to make one big cake mix. And you add that to that. Now, the devil food cake mix is going in now too. We're going to mix it up in a bag. Make sure it's properly sealed and shake it. And we're going to keep it as a dry mix for the moment. Once it's properly secured, all you got to do is mix it, making sure that it gets evenly mixed. It may take a couple minutes to do this, but it won't be that hard. Now, since you have this already mixed, you have 2 options. One, you can label it and store it until you're ready to use, or you can use it right away. And when you're done, you can put the remaining of the mix back, because it's not going to come out of the bag. You're just going to get some out of the bag and then reseal it. That way this mix is going to last for a while. Now I'll show you what you got to do with the mug. I'm measuring 3 tablespoons of the mix. 1, 2, 3. That's 3 of it. Then we're going to put 2 tablespoons of water in it. Then we'll mix it. I added 2 tablespoons of water. Now we're going to mix it. This is what it looks like when it's mixed. Now, the easy part. You're going to put this, after it's mixed, into the measuring cup. I didn't forget the raspberries. See, I added it to the measuring cup. Now we're going to add the raspberry. Now I'm going to add about a teaspoon of the raspberry on top. And it sank down. So now all we got to do is microwave it for 1 minute. And I'll be back. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the microwave. Now all we got to do is put whipped cream on it. It wouldn't be one of my dessert videos without whipped cream or Cool Whip. And you just put that on top of it. And it is done. And you can see the steam coming up from the cold contacting the hot mug. And I will show you that it actually is cooked. See, it's cooked. See, it's cooked underneath there. It only took a minute to do. You gotta have the whipped cream on it though. It makes it so much better. I like whipped cream, so of course I'm adding more. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.